not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey y'all, this is Tasha. I am back with another video. I can't even believe I'm making this video of 3 years with my Microlocs. Like, it legit does not feel like it has been 3 years since I installed my Microlocs. But here we are. I'm recording this video just a few days early, but my 3-year lock anniversary is literally right around the corner. So I wanted to come on and go ahead and give you guys an update video. I had to get dressed and look like somebody this morning as far as my face. So I was like, let's just record a video real quick before you wipe all this off, okay? So if y'all are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not forget to hit the subscribe button on your way out if you are not already subscribed. Thumbs up, comment in the comment section below. If you are not new, welcome on back. Come on, sit down. I really don't have much to update y'all because I'm real basic around here with my hair, okay? I am real basic. It is growing. I am definitely seeing the growth. What I am wearing right now is a fresh braid out. I washed my hair yesterday, braided it, and that was around noon yesterday. So my hair had almost 24 hours to dry before I took my braids out. But this is probably my staple hairstyle, is a braid out. It's what I love. I also love pipe cleaner curls. I'm fine with wearing it, straight and fresh out the shower, but I really love the volume that waves or curls give me. So this is what I wear like 95% of the time, okay? I don't even have a list, y'all, but I'm just going to give you guys some updates on my hair. I retied the front of my hair 2 weeks ago, I think. So I'm about 2 weeks out from a retie, and then because my hair is off schedule because I just retie, if I feel like it's getting a little rough and I got the time, I do it. So I retied most of the back yesterday because I didn't do it when I retied the front because I just didn't have the time and I just didn't feel like it either. So it is what it is. I don't take my hair too seriously. I'm not on a strict schedule or anything. I listen to my hair and I do what my hair needs me to do. I guess I'll jump into lock count because I do get that question a lot. I think my lock count before was at 209. I have combined, at this point, I've probably combined about 4 locks together, and I've also recently started a new lock down here in the very back. This hair just would not stay in any lock, so I just started its own little lock. So y'all, I don't know what the lock count is, somewhere around the very low 200, between 200 and probably about 206, somewhere up in there, girl. That's where we sitting at, all right? As of late, I would say, as far as the rotation that I'm using to retie my hair, I think I've officially kind of transitioned to a 2-point rotation across my entire head. I was doing mostly a 2-point in the front just to make sure that I wasn't making the locks too tight and being gentle around the edges. But I've just kind of resolved to just doing my whole hair that way, and it's been fine. I don't see a difference in the size of my locks or anything like that when it comes to retying. Y'all can see I still have a lot of frizz, and I've come to terms that the frizz is here to stay with me because of my hair texture and my hair type. I just think the frizz is just gonna be here, and I am fine with it. It used to bother me in the very beginning. I wanted everything to kind of just be neat and in its place and in the lock, but because my hair doesn't maneuver like that, I love it the way it is, and I'm fine with where we are right now. I think for the maturity of my locks, I think everything is pretty much locked and mature. The front of my hair, of course, that's where I'm naturally looser. The ends are still loose. Y'all know I love my loose ends, so I'm not going to do anything about it. But also, I'm not doing anything to keep them this way. This is just my hair and what it's naturally doing. So I'm not picking out the ends. The ones that, of course, have budded and locked, I just leave them alone. Mostly the ones all in the back have buds on the ends of them. It's mainly just what I have in the front. So give you guys a close-up of it's just there. Everything is locked up until, you know, this very last inch or so of most of the hair that is in the front. So I love it. I'm fine with it. I'm just gonna keep letting it do its thing and do what it want to do. Let's see, as far as I have taken out one lock before because it had gotten a knot in it, and I took the lock out and redid the lock. It's somewhere up in here if I can find it. But I took it down, I redid it, and it's a bit shorter than all of my other locks. I just saw it. It's a bit shorter than all of my other locks. Now, here it is. So it's the shortest little baby. So I took it out and redid it because of the knot, because it really bothered me. But since then, I have gotten, I think, 1 or 2 more locks with knots in them. I'm not exactly sure where the knots are coming from. If somebody is an expert loctician, you can let me know in the comments below, because y'all know I am not. I feel like it's either coming from, one, for those locks, I didn't pull the lock tool all the way through before I went and did the next rotation. Or for some of them, I do just have, because again, my hair texture is looser, just as a loose natural, that I will sometimes just have loose hair and I'm trying to put those back into the lock. And I think sometimes it just kind of bunches up that way as well. So I'm thinking one of the 2 options may be what I am experiencing. If I can find, I do have one in particular that it got a knot, and I was going to comb it out like I combed out the one that I just showed y'all. And then I was like, I don't want to have kind of all these locks that are different sizes and different lengths, because I keep combing them out because of the knots. So what I said I was going to do, I found it. What I said I was going to do was just leave it alone for now, and I'll see how it grows. And then after it grows a little bit, if the knot is damaging the lock, I'm just going to cut it right above where the knot is. So this is the lock I'm talking about. So here where my finger is where the knot is. So, so far I haven't had any issues. You can see I have quite a bit of new growth that has happened from when I actually realized that I had the knot and just left it alone. It doesn't interfere with retying my hair or anything like that. So again, really just leaving it alone for now, and really just seeing how it goes. I think for the ones that I have combined, I recently combined one in the front here because one was just getting a little too thin to my liking. So I went ahead and combined it with another one. Where is it? Yeah, I'm trying to use the mirror and I'm trying to use my phone as a mirror. Here it is. It's this one that I combined because this one was getting a little bit too thin at the roots. So I combined these 2 actually just at my last retie, so it hasn't been long. I have some others that have been combined for a lot longer, so maybe where it's like this much that's tied together, and then this much that's 2 locks together. I'll be honest, I don't necessarily love them because those ones that are a little bit larger on the ends, it definitely makes the reties sometimes a little bit difficult, because I have 2, if I'm not mistaken, that the locks that are combined are 2 different lengths. So trying to get them into the same tool can sometimes drive me a little bit crazy when I'm doing the reties. But so far I make it work. I haven't decided quite yet for those that I have combined. This is one of them. I'm going to turn around so y'all can see it. So this one that I have combined, and I think I have one more in the back. Still trying to decide if I want to let them grow out for a little bit longer together and then maybe cut one of them and, you know, crochet the hair, the loose hair that's in it so that it truly does just become one lock, or if I'm just gonna leave it. If y'all have done this before, please, again, leave that in the comment section below, because I don't know, y'all. I'm just out here winging it. It is just hair. I know some people take locks very, very seriously, and I am not knocking it or disrespecting any of those, but for me and myself, it is just hair for me. I love the hairstyle and I love my hair, but again, this is supposed to be a really freeing, easy, low maintenance journey for me, which is why I decided to do locks. So that's where I'm sticking with this lock journey of I haven't had any locks break, fall off. They are not brittle or dry. Like, so I'm doing something right. So whatever I'm doing, I just keep doing it because it's obviously working for the most part for my hair. So I just try not to be too technical with whatever is going on and just let these babies, you know, do what they want to do. I am still dyeing my hair probably about once every 2 to 3 months just to cover up the grays that I have that come in the front. Still have not had any issues because I just dye it black. I'm a black hair type of girl. So it's really not my jam to be out here doing all these different styles. Although when the summertime comes around and I see other people dyeing their hair, like, you know, red, the honey blondes, like, it is so pretty. But because I'm so low maintenance with my locks, I already know I'm gonna be setting myself up for failure, and they're gonna start breaking off if I bleach my hair or anything like that, because I know I am not gonna take the time I need to do the proper maintenance for lighter color hair. So I'm gonna stick with what I know, which is black hair, okay? So y'all, I truly think that's all the updates I have. Like, I don't be styling my hair like that. When I originally installed these Microlocs, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna do them small because then I can still treat it like loose hair and I can do all these styles and this and this and that. Girl, what you see right now is where my hair is at 99% of the time, okay? When I'm working out, it's in a ponytail or a bun, and that's where it is. And those are probably the two styles, you know, that I rotate. It's just like, why do the extra work if I really don't have to do the extra work to make the hair look good? Maybe that'll change, but for the last 3 years, it's been like, immediately no. Immediately no. I will say, I am considering taking some sort of Microloc course because I have a lot of people ask me when I'm out, they're like, ooh, who does your hair? And when I say me, they like, oh, you do other people's hair? No. So I'm torn because I know I have the skill, but I'm the type of person that even if I got a skill, I need to have some type of certification, diploma. I need something that lets other people know I'm legit too. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go that route if I decide. I just haven't decided if that's something I truly want to invest in, because I have 2 daughters. I still have to do their hair. I do my own hair. So really taking hours upon hours to do somebody else's hair in my free time, I don't know, girl. I just don't know. I don't know. So I'll keep y'all posted if I change my mind and I actually, you know, go that route and I'm able to install locks on other people's hair. But for now, I'm just going to continue to maintain my own, girl. If y'all have any questions I did not answer in this video, because I feel like I'm just starting to ramble and I don't want to do that, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer those for you. Until next time.